Meaning of falling off.
Falling off.
Falling off.
Falling off.
Falling off. Falling off is a phrase that typically refers to a decrease or decline in something, such as a decrease in the quality or quantity of a product, a decline in sales or revenue, or a decrease in interest or participation in a particular activity. The result of falling off can manifest in various forms, for example, decreased profits for a company, reduced engagement in a social media platform, or a decline in the quality of a product or service. Ultimately, falling off often implies a negative trend or outcome.